In the beginning of Garbhsamvad, let's do Om chanting for 3 times.
A talk with an expecting mother. Dear bestie, many congratulations on entering maternity. God has given you the work of creation and wants to be your companion by giving you this chance. To make this faith in God trustworthy, you must give the world a child who is inherited with the best qualities. You are a spiritual power. It is the world's most significant miracle that two subtle particles work together for a child's birth. But the credit for giving birth to such a great child is only yours, is only for you. From your heightened strength, the baby will get the best mental development. Only if you take a pure and sattvic diet will your child develop a beautiful and powerful body. Your child will develop a cultured character through your excellent activities. Through your spiritual activities, you will connect this divine soul with the Almighty. Hey bestie, now being a mother, you are a creator also. I have complete faith in you that you will gift this world with an excellent child.